Have you ever wondered what the future of business looks like? Which industries will continue to generate profit despite the ever-changing economic landscape? The world of business is akin to a vast ocean, constantly ebbing and flowing with the tide of innovation and consumer demand. But amidst the waves of change, there are certain sectors that seem to hold steadfast, their profitability seemingly impervious to the shifting sands of time. These are what we call future-proof businesses. They are industries that, due to their inherent nature or the immutable needs they cater to, continue to thrive, regardless of the economic climate. They have the uncanny ability to adapt, innovate, and reinvent themselves in line with technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. Understanding such industries is not just fascinating, but it is also crucial for those who wish to invest their time, money, and effort into building a successful business. It is about foreseeing where the potential for growth lies and aligning one's entrepreneurial endeavors accordingly. Over the course of this video, we will be exploring 5 such businesses that appear to be future-proof. We will delve into the healthcare industry, a sector that continues to grow as advancements in medicine and technology converge. We'll explore the realm of information technology, a field that has become the backbone of our digital world. We'll venture into the world of renewable energy, a sector that is likely to boom as the world strives towards sustainability. We'll discuss e-commerce, a business model that has flourished in the digital age. And lastly, we'll take a look at the food industry, a sector that caters to one of our most basic and unchanging needs. The future of business may be uncertain, but some industries seem destined to thrive. Let's delve into these 5 businesses that appear to be future-proof. First on the list is the healthcare industry, a sector that is crucial to our society's well-being. This industry has demonstrated an unwavering ability to generate profits, and its importance has only been underscored by recent events. Why is the healthcare industry so resilient, you might ask? Well, there are several key reasons. First of all, the demand for healthcare services is continuously on the rise. This increase is driven by a number of factors, including a growing world population and an aging demographic. As we all know, with age often comes the need for more frequent and specialized medical care. Secondly, advancements in medical technology are creating new opportunities for profitable growth. Innovative treatments, cutting-edge medical devices, and advancements in digital health are expanding the boundaries of healthcare, offering novel ways to diagnose, manage, and treat illnesses. Moreover, the healthcare industry is not just about treating diseases. It also encompasses wellness and preventive care, areas that have seen significant growth in recent years. People are increasingly proactive about their health, investing in preventive measures and wellness programs, which further fuels the demand. Then, there's the factor of necessity. Regardless of economic conditions, people need healthcare. It's not a luxury, but a basic need. This ensures a certain level of demand that is relatively unaffected by economic downturns. Let's not forget the role of government spending and policy. In many countries, healthcare is heavily subsidized or fully funded by the government, which creates a stable source of revenue for the industry. So what does all of this mean? It means that the healthcare industry, with its high demand, technological advancements, and government support, is poised for sustained profitability. With the world's population growing and aging, the demand for healthcare services is only expected to rise. This sector, which is so integral to our lives, is likely to remain a profitable venture for those who choose to invest their time, effort, and resources into it. Next up is the information technology sector, an industry that is driving innovation and shaping our future. Information technology. These 2 words encapsulate a vast, ever-evolving world, a world that has woven itself into the very fabric of our lives. From the alarm that wakes us up in the morning to the GPS that guides our way, from the mobile banking that keeps us financially connected to the social media platforms that keep us socially connected, IT services have become integral to virtually every aspect of our existence. And it's not just about the gadgets and apps that make our personal lives easier and more enjoyable. Businesses, governments, and institutions of all kinds have become dependent on IT services for their very survival. In this digital age, the ability to collect, store, process, and analyze data is a game changer. It's what drives decision-making, improves efficiency, and fosters innovation. But here's the thing, we're just scratching the surface. The pace of technological advancement is relentless. Every day brings new discoveries, new possibilities, artificial intelligence, blockchain, quantum computing. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent the cutting edge of IT, the future of how we live, work, and interact with the world, and they offer vast potential for growth and profitability. Consider this. According to a report by Gartner, global IT spending is projected to reach over $3 trillion by the end of 2024. That's a lot of zeros. And it's a clear indication of the immense value that individuals, businesses, and societies place on IT services. We are living in a time of rapid, unprecedented technological change. And as we become more and more entwined with technology, as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear. The IT sector isn't going anywhere. It's here to stay, and it's poised to continue its upward trajectory. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, the IT sector is poised to continue its growth trajectory. The third business is the renewable energy industry, a sector that is crucial for our planet's sustainability. As we continue to deplete our planet's finite resources, the alarming rate at which we are consuming these resources is becoming increasingly apparent. This is where the renewable energy industry steps in, offering a viable and sustainable solution to our energy needs. The demand for clean energy is growing at an unprecedented rate. We're seeing a global shift in consciousness, where individuals, businesses, and governments alike are recognizing the importance of switching to renewable energy sources. This is not only to preserve our environment, but also to ensure our energy security in the future. In recent years, we've seen significant advancements in renewable energy technology. Solar panels are becoming more efficient, wind turbines are becoming more powerful, and new forms of renewable energy such as tidal and geothermal power are being explored and developed. These advancements are making renewable energy a more practical and affordable option for many. But it's not just about the technology. There's an increasing global emphasis on sustainability, and the renewable energy industry plays a critical role in this. Governments around the world are setting ambitious targets to reduce their carbon emissions, and businesses are striving to become more sustainable in their operations. And where there's demand, there's potential for profitability. This sector is ripe for innovation, and for businesses that can provide efficient, affordable, and sustainable energy solutions, the opportunities are vast. From manufacturing and installation to maintenance and energy storage, there are numerous ways to tap into this growing market. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new business, an investor seeking a profitable venture, or a consumer wanting to make a positive impact on the environment, the renewable energy industry offers a wealth of opportunities. As our world becomes more aware of the environmental impact of our energy consumption, the renewable energy sector is set to flourish. The future is green, and the renewable energy industry is leading the way in making that future a reality. Fourth on our list is e-commerce, a sector that has revolutionized the way we shop. Imagine the world before the advent of online shopping. Lengthy queues, limited shopping hours, and the hassle of carrying bulky items home. Now, with just a few clicks, you can buy virtually anything at any hour, delivered straight to your doorstep. It's this convenience and efficiency that has fueled the meteoric rise of e-commerce. Over the years, we've seen a dramatic shift in consumer behavior. Traditional brick-and-mortar stores are now sharing the stage with online platforms, which offer a wide variety of products, competitive pricing, and the luxury of shopping from the comfort of home. Moreover, e-commerce has opened up new avenues for small businesses and entrepreneurs, allowing them to reach a global audience without the need for physical storefronts. This flexibility and scalability are key factors in the sector's profitability. With the increasing digitalization of our lives, e-commerce seems poised to maintain its upward trajectory. Last, but certainly not least, is the food industry, a sector that caters to one of our most basic needs. Now let's dive into the delicious world of food business, a sphere that is as evergreen as it gets. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. Food is a fundamental requirement for survival. No matter the economic climate, the demand for food remains unwavering. Think about it. Even when technology evolves, energy sources change, or shopping habits transform, we still need to eat. This constant demand makes the food industry a reliable source of profitability. Whether it's a neighborhood bakery, a food processing giant, or an innovative food tech startup, opportunities in this sector are plentiful and diverse. Furthermore, the food industry is ripe for innovation. From sustainable farming practices to plant-based alternatives and food delivery apps, there's a world of potential waiting to be explored. As long as people need to eat, the food industry will continue to be profitable. So, what does this mean for aspiring entrepreneurs like you? Well, it's simple. Understanding these profitable sectors can serve as a compass, guiding you towards business ventures that hold potential for success. It's about making informed decisions, about knowing where your efforts can reap the most rewards. Imagine knowing that the healthcare industry, for instance, is a perennial source of profitability. You could channel your entrepreneurial spirit into creating a business that revolutionizes patient care or improves medical technology. Or consider the boundless opportunities in information technology, a sector that continues to evolve and expand at an astonishing rate. You could develop the next big software solution or design an app that changes the way we interact with technology. Think about the potential in renewable energy, a sector that is not only profitable, but also crucial for our planet's future. Your business could contribute to the development of cleaner, more efficient energy solutions. Or perhaps e-commerce is more your speed, a rapidly growing industry that offers countless opportunities for innovative retail solutions. And let's not forget the food industry. Despite fluctuations in trends and tastes, people will always need to eat. Whether it's creating a new food product, opening a restaurant, or starting a farm-to-table service, the possibilities are endless. These sectors are far from exhaustive, but they serve as a starting point, a launching pad for your entrepreneurial journey. They represent areas of consistent growth and profitability, areas where your business could make a significant impact. But remember, while these sectors may be profitable, success is not guaranteed. It will require hard work, dedication, and a dash of creativity. It's about finding a need and filling it, about turning a passion into a profitable business. The future of business may be uncertain, but by understanding the trends and opportunities in these sectors, you can position your business for success. So, what's stopping you from taking the leap into one of these profitable industries?